I'm Brittany with WTI, and I feel that these Brighton string lights have really beautifully illuminated our craft room. So we just recently turned our front room into a craft room, and there was no lighting in this room. So to find something that lit the whole room up and also didn't require any construction, I had done it recently in my remodel of my bedroom, and I was just really impressed with how much light it emitted, and I really appreciated this brand of string lights. It came in 50 feet, which filled this room absolutely perfectly, and it was really easy to do. The one feature that I appreciated was that the light bulbs were not made of glass. They were made out of this very strong plastic material, and also that you can actually screw them out and replace them. It comes with a few replacement bulbs. You can even order a set of replacement bulbs. So well made, they're beautiful. I love the white option. It really just makes it look so clean and classy, blends in with the ceiling, and just offers that beautiful party surprise-like feeling when you come into here. It really helps to have a nice, beautiful space that you can make beautiful things at the same time. So I think if you are wanting some beautiful lighting options, but don't want to have to put holes in walls or ceilings, anything overly complicated to get that done, I think these are an absolutely great option. They're great for outdoors, indoors, big room, small room, anything you need. You definitely should check these out. And that's my point of view.